welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya or Cranfaerie, and today I'm going to be doing an Owlcrate unboxing. This is the January 2021 box, and it is themed with, the theme is Olympus. So, let's open it up. So, oh my god. I am very excited for this box, guys. I think this is my favorite so far. So it's from Olympus with love. I'm not reading the spoiler card, but I'm going to show you the beautiful piece of art on the front there. This is definitely going on my bookcase. We've got some Medusa action there. And it says Owlcrate with that great Greek lettering. Love it. So on board. All right, starting off on the top. Riddle's Tea Shop, Nectar of the Gods, and Owlcrate exclusive tea. Look at that label. So gorgeous. They always have great packaging for these book boxes. So, it is a rooibos tea with natural peach flavor, peach pieces and marigold flowers, apple pieces, and vanilla flavor. A little bit of caramel. That sounds amazing. I cannot wait to drink that. I love a good herbal tea or a rooibos, especially if it's like peachy and floral. Oh, I love the pin. So the pin says, "The eyes of the gods are upon you," and it has the gorgeous, gorgeous border. Here, let me take it out of the plastic. I always do this. I always show it to you in the plastic and then realize my camera reflects it. All right, there we go. You can see it has the gold banding that we associate with Greek mythology and Greek stuff. Medusa. That makes me very excited for the book. I hope this is a Medusa-themed book because I'm so on board. We have this, which we're going to have to open up to find out what it is. Okay. Oh my god, I think it's like a tapestry thing. What is this? Is this a star chart? It's a calendar. Oh my goodness. I need to just take a peek at this. So it's a moon calendar. Tracking the moon cycle for all the whole year. Spearcraft is so it's a moon calendar tracking the entire calendar for when the moon is full versus half or semi. Owlcrate is so creative. Every time I get one of these, I'm shocked by the cool things that are inside. Check this lady out. Look at this beautiful art. That is gorgeous. All right, I'm definitely going to be looking at that a little bit more closely. I'm not sure how I'm going to hang it, but I really like it, and I'm definitely going to put it up somewhere. Normally, I don't hang stuff like that, but it's so cool. Like, how can you not do something with that? Okay. This I probably will put in my giveaway just because I don't really have space for stuff like this. And again, like with that poster, that's kind of a one-off because it's just so cool, but generally I don't hang stuff like that on my wall. Got like a little bannery thing. Not sure what these are generally for. They're just decorative generally, I think. It's really beautiful, the border on it. Maybe I'll embroider something in the center. That's a debate for that. Because I could try, I've been wanting to try doing some sort of embroidery, so maybe I'll do that as a DIY and try to embroider something Greek themed on there. Maybe Medusa. Otherwise, though, it'll probably be in the giveaway. All right. Ooh, this is a... looks like balsa wood bookmark. It says, "I would know him in death at the end of the world." And then on the back it says, "There are rare moments when another soul dips near yours as stars once a year brush the earth, such a constellation was he to me." Look at that. Beautiful bookmark. I love wooden bookmarks. They're just so pretty. Definitely going to have that on my bookcase. Wow. What is this box? Owlcrate, what you doing? They've sent us a box. This is gorgeous. It says Hermes letterboard. Use this mini letterboard to create fun messages you can display in your home. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, let's open it up. I'm super on board with this already, and I haven't even seen it. And I love this packaging. Like, check out the box. It's just so pretty. Sorry, guys. I'm such a geek for design, so... Okay, let's check this part out first. So, Back says Owlcrate. Front is just this cute little lettering area. I'll probably actually put it on the bookcase with something for you guys. Maybe my social media. And it has the letters and a couple of extra symbols for us as well. So we just would pop these out and then put them on the board as you go. And then there's a little, oh, I love that, little Hermes-inspired case to carry all your letters. So after this, I'll probably pop these all off and put them in here, and I'll put something on the board. That's so fun. Oh my god. See, like, we got the flower press in the first one I ordered, and then the second one had, oh, what did it have? It had the cookie roller, and I'm trying to think what the other thing was. There's a couple really cool things in the last one. The puzzle. You can check out my last video for that for Owlcrate. Oh, yes. All right. Is there anything else in here I need to look at? Okay. Here we go. The book. Lore. So this is by Alexandra Bracken. And I think I've seen this cover before. This looks really pretty, and it does have Medusa on the cover, which makes me very happy and excited. Let me just open it up. And as usual, it's Owlcrate exclusive. So it has a signature and probably a decorative dust jacket, since they usually do. I wonder what the difference in the cover is between the two. I'm sure it'll say in our spoiler card. So first, let's read the author letter. I'll show you. It has a beautiful cover. Dear reader, rest easy. You haven't opened Pandora's box. Just your Owlcrate delivery. I owe my love of Greek mythology to my mum, who used the stories as a way to introduce our Greek heritage to me. I'd always hoped that one day write a book rooted in it. I just had to wait for the muses to do their thing. Then, about 2 years ago, lore sprang from my head fully formed, not unlike how Athena herself sprang from the head of Zeus. Rather than a retelling, lore is a kind of modern myth, one that sets the mythology's tragic darkness and high stakes in our modern world, and comes at it from a feminist angle. I like that. The gods in this book are terrifying creatures, but so are their hunters, and they are all bound together by blood and fate. While the story explores the shadows of our soul, it really is a story of hope surviving the labyrinth of trauma and the inconsequential spirit that lives in all of us. I'm so excited to share this story with you, and I hope Laura and her friends come to you, live in your hearts in the way they do mine. Love, Alex. Okay, very excited. So this is the cover. It says, "Bind your fate to mine." Let's see. There's the back. And it says, "You may deny the fates, but they will not deny you. Fighting them will not save you from what is ahead." Very cool. Oh, it has a giant map. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, first of all, simple spine, really pretty with the gold and white. Then we have, oh, no dust jacket. Fun enough, there's no art print. That's interesting. Every 7 years, the Aegon begins. As punishment for past rebellions, 9 Greek gods are forced to walk the earth as mortals. They are hunted by the descendants of ancient bloodlines, all eager to kill a god and seize their divine power and immortality. Long ago, Lore Perseus fled that brutal world, turning her back on the hunt's promise of eternal glory after her family was murdered by a rival line. For years, she's pushed away any thought of revenge against the man, now a god, responsible for their death. Yet, as the next hunt dawns over New York City, 2 participants seek her out. Castor, a childhood friend Lore believed to be dead, and Athena, one of the last of the original gods, now gravely wounded. The goddess offers Lore an alliance against their mutual enemy and a way to leave the Aegon behind forever. But Lore's decision to rejoin the hunt binds her fate to Athena's and will come with a deadly cost. And it may not be enough to stop the rise of a new god with the power to bring humanity to its knees. Very interesting. I'm excited about this book. I like a good Greek book. And you can see at the front has Central Park. That's really pretty. It has the whole New York scape. And then on the back, same thing. Beautiful print on the back. Very cool. It has like the breakdown of the cast of characters and stuff and everything, which is always something I appreciate. Sometimes you just get so lost in the books. Love this beautiful typeface. And then here you can see, got the signature at the front. That's very exciting. I'm surprised that there's no art on the inside of it, but I'm sure they'll explain that somewhere. The Hermes board and stuff will cover that. And, oh my god, there's so many good things in here. Here, I'm just going to slide this back in here. Let's take a look at what else left in here. All right. We have our little breakdown here. So you can see the original book cover's black, not white. And I think I actually kind of like the black one better, personally. They have kind of a breakdown of some author notes, some things for her. Goes through a discover your Homeric epithet? Not sure how to say that. There. Someone tell me how to say that. I know it's backwards, I'm sorry. First initial, M, so the lucky. And my birth month is October, so Lionhearted the Lucky. Oh, I see, your name's in the center. So it is Lionhearted Maya the Lucky. If you like lore, you may also like The Chaos of the Stars by Kirsten White, Oh My Gods by Alexandra Shepard, and The Trials of Apollo by Rick Riordan. Because you always have to have a Rick Riordan book when it comes to the Greeks. And obviously. Alright, so there's an interview with Riddle's Tea Shop. We have more information on the next upcoming box. And some other releases that we're excited about. So, can't wait for that. And let's take a look at what's next. So, the theme for February's box is Magic Unleashed. And there's the beautiful art print. I'm very excited for this one. Every February box will include a book tin designed by Forensics and Flowers. Ooh, your future looks bright. P.S. If you're already subscribed, you'll automatically renew. And I'm definitely going to keep that going. That's very cool. Well, that's everything that was in the box. I adored this box. I think my favorite things are going to have to be the little letter sign, the tea, because I'm very excited about this tea, the pin, because it's gorgeous, the wooden bookmark. Okay, so I liked everything in this box is what I'm saying. The book. The only thing that I'm probably not going to keep is this. Although, as I said before, I might do a DIY because I've been wanting to try embroidery. So this might be a fun opportunity to do some embroidery for a DIY. You know what? I am going to keep this. I'm going to do a DIY with this. Let's take a look, though, and just see what everything was. There's a zipper pouch. What are your fish? Oh, the letterboard has a zippered pouch with it. Letterboard was by Team Owlcrate. Good job, guys. We had the Lunar Calendar Tapestry, and which was by Eden Cook. And it's, it has Artemis and Athena on here. The enamel pin, which is the olive branch pin banner. That's by Michelle Gray. We have the ambrosia-themed tea, Nectar of the Gods, which I've dropped. Oop. And as we said earlier, that's Riddle's Tea Shop. The wooden bookmark, which is by In the Reeds, which is what they talked about that we'd be getting. And we have the... Wait, no. This is the Medusa-themed... Oh, this is the pin banner. Sorry, this is the pin banner. That's Michelle Gray. The olive branch pin banner. Then we have our exclusive Owlcrate pin. That one is by... Sorry, my brain. Icy Designs, which is gorgeous. And sorry, I should go over this one more time. The bookmark is from the book The Songs of Achilles and Circe, which I would like to read as well. So, that was our box. Let me know what your favorite items were in the comments or anything that you wouldn't want to get. Curious to see your opinions. Personally, I'm really happy with this. And as I said, I'm going to DIY this. So pretty much everything in here is something that I'm going to use. The pin is gorgeous and it goes really well with my other pins. So my collection is now growing. Apparently I'm a pin addict. Who knew? All right. In that case, this is everything for today. Thanks for joining me, and please remember to subscribe and like and check out my other videos, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Cheers.